We are on page 473, question 1. Question 1, we have square and semicircle, right? Now the square here we have a 12 yard, and here also we have 12 yard. This tells you that this is square, right? Because we have the same length and the width. And here you have semicircle. The question wants to find the whole area. Done? Done. Now, yesterday we said we will call this A1 and this A2, right? Done. To find A1, A1 is a square. We know the area of the square. What's the formula? Yesterday in the previous page, in the first page in the lesson, we wrote the formulas for each polygon, right? For the rectangle, for the triangle, trapezoid. So all the formulas in front of you. So the area of the square is s to the power of 2. And s is given how much? 12. Right? So here we have semicircle. We know the area of the semicircle. Half pi r power 2. We took it in the circles, right? So I need the radius for the semicircle. Well, how much is this? All of this. This is a 12, same of this. But the radius is the half. So the radius is what? 6. You understand it? So we are ready to find the area now. A equal A1 plus A1 is the square, S power 2. A2 is the semicircle, half by R power 2. Now put the numbers. S power 2 yani 12 power 2 plus half multiply the pi, we know it, 3.14, and the radius, not 12, 6 power 2. This is equal, this is 144. I will calculate at 200 point something. Let me check. So we have 144 plus half multiply 3.14 multiply 36. It will be 200.52 yard power 2. This is question 1 and this homework, okay? Question 2. Question 2. In question 2, we have two triangles over each other. The first one like this, and the second one like this, right? Here right and here right. Here they both 4 feet. Here 3 feet. And here 5 feet. And here 6 feet. This is question 2. Okay. Now we have two areas, A1, A2. Let's start with A1. Before you start solving, be sure that your dimensions are exist. كل شيء موجود يعني. يعني you are ready. تمام. So here A1 we have a triangle. In the triangle, to find the area, we know the formula. Base multiply height, right? What's the base of A1? 4. And the height. Why I know this is the height? Because we have what here? Right angle. We said yesterday, to know the height, search about the right angle. Okay? So base height for A1 ready. But A2 base, okay, وهذا ايش؟ الهايت, because we have right angle here also. So the two triangles are ready. Just apply. So the whole area equal half BH for the first triangle plus half BH for the second triangle, right? Okay. تعال وانت تعال. I know. دقيقة, he talked to you. So Here equal half base for the triangle 1, 4, right? Multiply the height for the triangle 3 plus the other triangle up. Half multiply the base of it 5, the height 6. Right? Now apply. Half of 4, 2 times 3 is another part 6, right? Half of 6, 3. ما سألتك. Half of 6, 3 times 5, في 6, 21. So we have a 21 square feet. This is question or yeah, question 2. Done. Question 3. Question 3 also we have two figures. Question 3 we have a trapezoid, something like this. You know the trapezoid. And here we have parallelogram up. So we have A1, A2. A1 for the trapezoid, A2 for the parallelogram. Here you have 14 centimeter, and here they wrote the height. How much? 6 centimeter, and this 7, and this 5, and this good. Now focus with me. For the trapezoid, what we need? We need 2 bases and height, right? For the parallelogram, what we need? Base and height. But look at the trapezoid here. Base 1, this is 7. Base 2, and the height. So the trapezoid ready. Huh? The parallelogram. Which base? The 7 or the 10? Why? We have 7, right? Here's 7. This 7 for the trapezoid and for the parallelogram, right? And 10. Which one of them is the base? You said all of you 10, but why? Yes. No, it is 10, but why? So ما هذه 7 هذه كمان 7 ايش المشكلة؟ ما هي equal. Because the base connected with the height. The base connected with the height, and between the base and the height always right angle. Always what? طلع على البيس. هاي الهايت اسف، هذا الهايت صح؟ هاي الرايت انجل مع مين؟ معناته هذا البيس مش هذه. فهمنا؟ البيز مع مين دائما؟ مع الهايت. شو في بينهم؟ right angle. Okay? Good boys. Now let's calculate. A equal A1 plus A2 equal A1 trapezoid. الفورمولا half B1 plus B2 plus A2 base times height. صح؟ هذول الفورmulas yesterday we wrote them. So this is equal. Apply now. Half base 1 14, base 2 7, multiply the height of the trapezoid 6 plus 10, not 7, multiply 5. Half of 6 3. طلع شو وراء. Half of 6 3. 7 plus 14 21 times 3 plus 50 equal 150. Done? You understand it? Right. Yes, Yanajan.
Mr. In the first question of the homework,
Okay.
the equal 12 power 2 plus 1 over 2. Mr. All of them, you multiply them, then
Yeah,
divide by 2.
No, here, what you have here?
Plus.
So 12 over 2, 144. Plus, you multiply these numbers, okay? You have a plus here, not multiply all of them. What you have between here?
بلس يعني
plus.
مستر يو
يعني
12
هيك
بلس 12
طلع equal 12 power 2 144, right? Plus
اوكي
6 power 2 36. 6 multiply 6, so half multiply 3.14 multiply what? Equal
36
144 plus. What we do first, the addition or the multiplication in order? We'll always do the multiply, then we do the add.
multiply.
So multiply
Yeah.
these numbers, get the answer, then add it with 144. Okay? Else, yes, yeah. Else, guys. Right. Now we are done with the first 3 questions, right? Yesterday we did example. أنا ما طلبت تحل هذول صح؟ ليش حلهم؟ امسح. Yesterday we stopped. Why didn't write these formulas here?
My net finished.
Did you watch the video? Why?
My net finished.
Watch the video and write this. I want to say. Yesterday we did example 1 and it's checked, right? Today we'll go to the second idea, which is the learn. See the learn? See the learn? Yeah. So we are in the learn page what? طلع اللير. In the learn we have this. It is rectangle. This is 8 meter and this is 6 meter, the length and the width. And inside it we have what? A circle. The diameter of the circle is what? And they colored this region by blue, right? The question wants to find the area of the blue part only, okay? We want to find the area of what? Of the blue part without the circle. Means, what's this? Scissor. You can get the scissor and just cut this circle and throw it out, صح? So here what we will do to find the area of the shaded area, we find the whole area minus the area which we don't want it, which is here what? The circle. صح? The whole area is area for rectangle. And the area which we don't want it is circle. So the wanted area, the blue area, in your book it's a blue color, right? A equal A rectangle minus A what? Circle. See when we subtract? So sometimes we need to add like the previous examples, but here we need to what? Subtract. So let's find it. A rectangle. Yesterday we wrote the formulas. Length multiply width. 6, 8 multiply what? Minus. هلا 8 multiply 6, it's 48, right? This 48 is the whole area. كلها. Got it? يعني ال 48 هذه هي ال whole area. الريكتانجل مع السكوير جوا كله. But I will exclude مين هلا؟ السيركل. Got it? So minus the area of the circle, which is half pi r over 2, right? Half multiply pi 3.14. كم الراديوس؟ 2, not 4. The diameter 4. The radius is 2. Okay? So 2 power 2. أنا مش كاتب هاف. مين حكى؟ ممتاز. أنا كنت عامله تست لك وأنت نجحت فيه. Done? Done. Now calculate. This is 48. This is 4 by 3.14. Subtract between them. The answer will be 48 minus 3.14 multiply 2 power 2 is 4. 35.44. The unit is what? Meters per 2. Now, what is هذه 35.44? شو هي هذه؟ هذه الاريا of the blue color in front of you. The part which we want, okay? Means the area of the ركزوا معي هلا. The area of the rectangle and the square, the whole area is how much? 48. But the area of the shaded part around the circle is how much? Done? This is the next idea, yes. مش x هذه multiply 2 power 2. يلا example 2 now. Let's go to example 2. Focus. Example 2, we have a circle. And inside the circle, we have something like a square or rectangle, right? But here, what's this 6? The radius of the whole circle, right? But, and they gave me the whole of this. How much the length of this side? 8.5. They gave me one side, means this is square, not rectangle. Got it? This is what? Not rectangle. Right. What they want these parts, see? Right? They want the area between the square and the circle, which is shaded with the green, the blue color in front of you. We don't want the whole area. We don't want the whole area. By the way, what's the whole area? It is the area of what? Of the circle. Here, the area of the circle. Here, the whole area. But we don't want the square. So what I will do, I will find the whole area, then I will cut the square by subtracting the area of the square. Okay? Done? Yeah. So the wanted area equal a circle minus a what? Square. آخر مرة. آخر اثنين equal pi r power 2. This is the area of the circle minus area of the square. From where we get these formulas? Yesterday we wrote them, right? Each graph. Now apply pi 3.14. How much the radius? 6 power 2 minus the s 8.5 power 2. This is equal to 3.14 multiply 6 multiply 6 minus 8.5 multiply 8.5. Equal, multiply, subtract, the answer will be 3.14 multiply 36 minus 8.5 multiply 8.5, it will be 40.79. 40.79, and the unit is what? Meter. Look at the book. How the book found this question, guys. Look at your book in the example. They make it in 2 steps. What they did, step 1, they found the area of the circle. Step 2, they found the area of the square. Step 3, they subtract the 2 areas. The answer at the end, روح لي على قبل التشيك شو مكتوب؟ Because 113 minus 72, the area of the shaded region is approximately what? مكتوب عندك, which is our answer there, right? So it's up to you. You can find each part alone, then subtract, or you can find it in one step, all of it, okay? Do you understand this? Let's do the check after this example. Check after example 2. اطلع على check. What we have here? trapezoid, صح? We have trapezoid. And inside of the trapezoid, we have one triangle. We don't want it. هذا الtriangle. What we want, this blue area. Right? صح? So the whole is a trapezoid. Inside it, triangle, we don't want it. Got it? Now let's see the dimensions. Here 8 feet. This is base 1, right? And here 18 feet. This is base 2. And this is the height. How much? 15 feet, right? Now, for the area of the trapezoid, I need base 1, base 2, and height. Are they exist? Yes. Base 1. And this 8 it is the base of the trapezoid and the base of the triangle at the same time, right? This height, it is the height of the trapezoid and the height of the triangle at this time, at the same time. Got it? Let's apply. Yalla. So what we write here, the wanted area equal A what? A mean. A mean minus A mean. A trapezoid. صح? Right, the formula is applied. This is equal half B1 plus B2 multiply height minus the area of the, no, yes. The area of the triangle is what? Half BH, right? مظبوط? Apply now, replace the values. This is equal half base 1, 8 plus base 2, 18. Multiply the height, 14. Minus half, multiply base of the triangle, 8. Multiply the height of the triangle, 15. Apply. 8 plus 18, 26. Half of 26, 13. Multiply 15. 13 multiply 15. I don't know, wallah. 13 times 15, 195. Yes. Yeah, 13 times 15, 195. Minus half of 8, 4. Multiply 15, 60. 195 minus 60, 130. 5. Heat vote. Done? You understand it? Let's see the check after this example page, after the apply. See the check? Page 472. Are you writing this? Yalla, quickly. Calculations in subhum. Yes, Yanajan.
Return back to the homework.
What?
Return back to the homework.
Sir, we talked about the homework, so you can ask me tomorrow. Now let's do the check after
No,
this apply.
I forgot to see.
Now, after the apply question, we have the check, page 472. See it? Check. page 472. We have something like this. Okay. And here we have 4.2, 6.3, and this 4.2 also. And this is the whole 13.65. Let's see the question. The Jamisons hired a Landis carpet to create a walkway show. Okay. Start. Jumbo.
Well, I missed out. I swear I played something. Why you make it?
ماشي.
Okay.
طيب. لا هيك. لا لف علي بالعكس. بالعكس. وجهك على البورد. ايوه لا بس شوي لهيك على اليسار بس. تطلعش ورا. طيب. Create the walkway shown. Here we have walkway. Okay. طيب. If one case of decorative stones costs $25 and covers 6 square meters, okay, how much will it cost to cover the whole walkway? We need to find what? The whole area, right? Now, do we know this figure? No. What we call it, what we name it, we don't have formula for it. I need to split it. I need to what? Split it. So I will have A1 here and what here? Down we have rectangle, up. So let's find the area. But in the rectangle, I need length and width, and both are exist. In the trapezoid, I need base 1. How much? Same of this. And the 4.2 and 4.2. And base 2, ready? And the height. So everything is good. Now let's find the whole area as a first step. A equal A rectangle or A1, we called it A1, صح? A1 plus A2. A1 rectangle, length multiply width plus A2 the trapezoid, half times base 1 plus base 2 multiply height. This is equal length 4.2, width 6.3 plus half multiply base 1, this same of this, which is what? 4.2 plus base 2, 13.56. بشوفك تطلع عليه المره الجايه حزعلك. روح 65. Multiply the height, which is 4.2. Normal area. We found what? The area. Let's multiply, calculate. The answer will be 4.2 multiply 6.3 plus half multiply 4 with 13, 17.85. Multiply 4.2. The answer will be 63.95. I rounded it. Okay. Square feet.
Yes.
Okay. Done. طيب. Did I finish? لا. Let's see the question. What the question wants. بيقول لك each. If one case of decorative stone costs $25 and covers 6 square feet, how much will it cost to cover the whole walkway? I need to know how many 6 feet in this area, right? Because each 6 feet needs $25, sure? If I ask you how many 5s in 30, how many 5s in 30? Because 30 divided by 5 is 6, right? If I tell you how many 2s in 18, because 18 divided by 2 is 9, right? But I will ask you now another question. How many 6s in 63.95? What we will do? We will divide, check. So the first step, we divide 63.95 divided by what? To see how many 6s, because each 6 costs $25. Check. Yeah. Divide. I didn't ask you. So we have 63.95 divided by 6. It will be 10.66. شو هو 10.66 هذا؟ لا 6s 10.66 6s. فهمتوا؟ لا multiply 25. فهمت؟ Again, how many 2s in 18? 9 2s in 18, right? Because 18 divided by 2 is 9, right? طب how many 6 in 63.95? Hello? Each 6 of them cost $25. So to know the total cost now, the cost equal 10.66 multiply the cost of each 6, which is how much? Equal 10.66 multiply 25. It will be $266.5. Rounded. يعني around. Okay. Your homework for today is questions. مش قلت لك امسح. Questions 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Again, your homework for today is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done? Done. If you finish writing the check, you can go.